Hello guys, time to share some of the new boards fresh from JLC PCB. They don't sponsor this video, but this is all too cool not to show it. Here's the beta board for the servo tester. We'll be making the first small batch with this. There are a couple of improvements and fixes I made. I added some auxiliary paths to test a regular servo on the right hand side, and there are two extra GPIOs too if you want to repurpose the board. I also had the I2C lines backwards, but that has been fixed. Next, we have a redesigned connection tab for the servos. This one should make it a lot easier to change the power and communication lines. The flex strip I showed you before will probably have to wait until we move real volume for it to be worth it cost-wise. This next board is a bit unrelated. It's just a 2.54mm bus bar to hook up some power or communications, as I sometimes see myself using the breadboard too much as a power distributor. The maximum current should be about 5 or 10 amps total, while each tap with either a pin header or an XH connector is meant for 3 amps. I think I will probably put these in the store as some of you might find them useful. And this one is a 4-line bus bar that might be useful for the servos too or some other project. The sides carry high current for power, while the center lines are thin for low capacitance communication. I might add some wire paths to these as well, since the surface mount PH connectors are not that easy to come by. Alright, so the first small batch of testers is ready, guys. Here we see part of the description flyer. A small error I had in this beta version is that the auxiliary pins for the regular servo, which you see on the right hand side, have the pulse and positive lines backwards. That's my bad, but that can be overcome with some DuPont connectors. Not really a deal breaker. I will take care of that on the next rev, and this doesn't affect the I2C servo testing at all. So these testers will be on the Tindie store right away. I hope they are useful for those that have supported the concept so far, and that they entice other people to try this scheme. Alright guys, once again, thanks for watching.